Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about Threads.com. What is Threads.com? Threads is a new app invention by the Instagram team. This app using for sharing text updates and joining public conversation. You can be write post up to 500 characters long with include links, photos and videos up to 5 minutes in length. So we hope this app provides us interesting experience. How to install Threads app and how to use it. Watch the full video and follow all the steps to install and set up Threads app. Step 1. First, you have to open your Instagram app. Step 2. Click the profile button. Step 2. Click the three dot button. Step 3. Click the threads. And step 4. Click get threads. When you click get threads, you can see App Store opened. Click the get button and install Thread app. You can see here the Thread app installed successfully. Click the open button. When you click button, you can see here my username of Instagram showing here. Click here. Import from Instagram. And click here next. I'm click here public profile and click next. And here I can follow all the people who is join with my Instagram account and click here next. And again click join threads. And here you can see the interface of threads.com. It's very interesting and look like twitter.com. So use Threads app and share your experience with our comment box. Stay with us and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.